Welcome back to the AI Beat, your quickfire rundown of where artificial intelligence is reshaping business, policy, and everything in between. I'm your AI narrator, here to guide you through today's biggest signals from the world of AI innovation. Let's kick off with a powerful quote from Microsoft's latest report. Data is the fuel that powers artificial intelligence. It's a timely reminder, especially today, because from chip wars to nationwide AI plans, the fuel lines are getting busier. First up, the French startup Mistral is making waves with the launch of its multimodal AI, a system that combines text, image, and audio processing into one streamlined model. What stands out? It delivers top-tier performance at a fraction of the usual cost. This shift could mean more startups tapping into advanced AI without enterprise-scale budgets. Next, we move to a smart play in the human plus AI space. Toloka, a Dutch innovator blending AI with human judgment, just received a major funding boost from Jeff Bezos' investment arm. It's part of a growing recognition that even the best AI needs clean, labeled, trustworthy data, and humans are still essential in making that happen at scale. And in the enterprise sphere, ServiceNow just acquired Data.World to fortify its workflow data fabric. The move isn't about storing more data, it's about governing it better. This signals a broader trend. For AI to scale responsibly, metadata and governance aren't optional. They're core infrastructure. From private sector to public ambition, OpenAI has announced its AI for Countries initiative, partnering with governments to help build sovereign AI infrastructure. This is more than a tech deployment, it's geopolitical. Custom models, national data controls, AI is becoming part of how nations define independence and influence. On the industrial front, Aurora Innovation has just proven its verifiable AI by sending a driverless truck on a WENC 200-mile journey between Houston and Dallas. This wasn't a test track, it was a real haul on real roads with zero humans on board. AI in logistics just moved from concept to reality. Meanwhile, the AI arms race in hardware is heating up. According to ID Tech X, the AI chip market is set to cross $400 billion by 2030, but it's not just about raw power anymore. Efficiency, lower energy use, smaller carbon footprints, cost control, is becoming the real differentiator. In the mobile and gaming world, Unity launched Vector AI, which is already boosting iOS app installs and purchase rates by up to 20%. Smarter targeting, better monetization. This is AI embedded deep into user acquisition mechanics. It's no longer optional for developers who want to compete. Now here's a cultural shift you might not have seen coming. Microsoft is training 2.5 million Americans in basic AI skills this year, in partnership with the National Future Farmers of America. That's right. AI literacy is heading to rural America, mainstreaming what used to be niche tech knowledge. The talent gap is shrinking fast. In terms of adoption, a new SNS Insider report shows that healthcare is still the frontrunner in applied AI. But banking and finance? They're catching up quickly. Diagnostics, fraud detection, personalized services, deep learning and NLP are becoming standard tools in high-stakes industries. And finally, investors are betting on the next layer of AI infrastructure. Codant AI, DoubleWord, and Flock.io have all closed fresh funding rounds. Each focuses on a specialized corner: code automation, scalable inference, and decentralized private training. The pattern here is clear. General-purpose models are important, but deep specialization is where the investment heat is going. So, what does it all add up to? AI is scaling across sectors, borders, and budgets. Whether it's multimodal innovation, sovereign infrastructure, or hyper-targeted growth platforms, one thing is clear: AI isn't a trend anymore. It's the infrastructure of everything. Thanks for listening to the AI Beat. If a story jumped out at you, drop us a note on X and be sure to subscribe for tomorrow's essential download. Until next time, stay sharp.